Today is April 29th, Monday, 2019. It is 93 degrees in here. I just opened it up. It was 95 when I opened it up, 45% humidity. I probably should be taking a day off, but I'm desperate to do as much as I can while I still have power. So today's plans are going to take all this wood out of here, find my staple gun, staple the reflectix all around the wall here, and then finish this little corner piece. And that's all I plan on doing today. Of course, it's already 3 o'clock in the afternoon, so I only get a couple of hours work anyhow. Okay, so let's get started. At least finding the staple gun was painless. So I have stapled the reflectix up on my wall against the insulation. This part here is left open because I still have to get some mending plates and fix that board. And the same with this side. In this side I cut a big flap in to allow the electrician room to work. So, okay, I'm getting a lot done actually, so that's good. So, it is really, really hot. I don't know if I can do much else. I'm going to try. I really want to work on that board. Oh yeah, I'm going to put a sheet of reflectix over my corner board there too. And then I think if I have the energy, I'm going to cut the board for that. Today is Wednesday, May 1st, 2019. It's 87 degrees in here. Ooh, it's cooling down outside, so that's good. Yeah, we're getting a cool front, or a front that's supposed to come through, and it's supposed to start raining, so I'm going to try to get my corner piece made for this corner. And if it doesn't rain, if it's just a front that's going to pass through but no rain, which is supposed to, and it's looking like it, I was kind of hoping to maybe start building my platform for my stove. At any rate, I want to get that corner piece done on the floor, and I have to plug in and turn on. I brought down a second fan, so get my fans going, get some of this heat out of here. I'm going to try to talk I'm going to try to talk a little louder because I have two fans going in here. So what I've done was, this section is already insulated underneath. Underneath this section is a little bay for my sewer hoses. So I have cut a piece of styrofoam. There's nails sticking up. I don't really want to mess with those, so I've cut a piece of styrofoam to stick in there, and then here is my piece of wood for that section. So I'm going to go ahead and get that in. It's not pretty, it's not perfect, but it's in. I still have to get the mending plates to secure it down to the floor, and to secure these boards back to the wall again too. So this phase of it is almost finished. Then my next phase will be to get my electrician back in here, finish off the electricity so that I can get the stove put in. Once I get the stove put in, guess what that means? I can start putting the floor in. Once I get the floor in, guess what that means? I can get the wall in the living room area up. So, we're getting there. Okay, it is 5 in the afternoon, and it is 83 degrees in here now. And I'm finishing up for the day. I'm just cleaning stuff up now. So I've got my corner pieces in, which I'm really, really happy about. That is one of the mounting plates that I've been talking about. I used a whole lot more on that piece than I had intended to, but that's okay. They're not very expensive. So I'll go get some more to finish up my repairs in the living room area. And get my electrician over here. My electrician, like I own one. And an electrician over here. Get this finished out so that I can get the stove mounted back in. And like I said, get the floor done. I'll have him help me get the vent hood up. Oh, I still have to get the part for that. The insert for that. But you know what? I've done all of this at this point myself. I did all the tear out, ripping out of the carpeting, scrubbing, because this thing was in really bad condition as far as cigarette smoke and filth. And I did it. I did it. So pretty soon all this mess will be cleared up, which will be great. And I'll get my floor down, which will be really super awesome. We're getting closer. We are absolutely getting closer. And I just want to thank all of you for all of your support, comments, suggestions, help. You know, you guys have been a great support system for me, and I absolutely appreciate it. Love y'all. Y'all are super great. So I'm going to close out this video for the day, and we'll be back down maybe tomorrow. Nah, I can't do anything at this point till my electrician does something, I think. So, but hopefully he can finish it out since I've got the insulation up and the reflectix up over the insulation. Hopefully he can finish it off, and then we could I can put the floor in. I'm doing the floor. I may have him help me do the walls with the corrugated metal, only because I really suck at straight lines. And I do want it to look nice. So, yeah, I'll get some help with that. So again, thanks again, and live the life you love. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.